my channel. In this section, I would like to show you how to fix the AC if the AC not cooling the room. Sometimes you feeling why the room is so hot, why not be cool? It's there is some problem with your AC. AC not working or cooling? Start with the easy fixes. If you believe that the AC not working or you're getting little or no cold air, check these three things first. Make sure all the registers in the house are wide open. Then be sure the furnace filter is clean. Then go outside and clean of the condenser coils. If the several registers were closed or the filter was clogged, the reduced airflow could have caused the evaporator coil to ace up and stop cooling your home or room. If you change the filter and open all the registers and you're still not getting airflow, not feel the cool at the register. This the A coil. Move the thermostat mode switch from cooling to off and move the fan switch from auto to on. Let the blower run for at least 30 minutes or until there's going airflow at register. Then turn the AC back on the tested. If it works for the next 12 hours, you have solved the problem. It's good, it's a great job. So I think this easy to fix when your AC not feel cooling your room. I think now for the explanation how to fix the problem when your AC not working or cooling your room. Thanks for watching my videos and see you